Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about Bittorrent token, and guys, this is the congratulation video for all BTT token holders because Bittorrent token is now going positive in the market, and I'm very happy, guys. Believe me, I'm very happy today to see these positive changes, guys. Anyways, now you can see if we talk about the price of Bittorrent token, so 0.003162 USD dollar, that is right now price of Bittorrent token. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes last 1 hour, last 1 day changes occur in the Bittorrent token, so these changes is also going positive in the market, guys. Only last 1 week changes of BTT token is negative 10.42%, guys. So now obviously I'm very happy feeling because from yesterday the changes of BTT is positive, and I predicted, guys, in my previous videos that in the beginning of October, possibilities that the price of BTT will pump, and now you can see here price is in the pumping mode, guys. So my prediction is going right, so that's why again I'm telling you, please subscribe. Now you can see here now Bittorrent token is in the pumping mode, so it's time to celebrate, guys. Very congratulations to all BTT token holders, and I suggest for my viewers that please hold. It is just the beginning of a huge pump. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like, subscribe now.